Silent Hill 2 for PS5 is a hauntingly effective remake of a classic psychological horror game. This fully remade version leverages modern technology to deliver an intense and immersive experience. For those of you who don't know, the game follows James Sutherland as he returns to the eerie town of Silent Hill after receiving a letter from his deceased wife Mary. What follows is a disturbing journey into his own psyche, filled with nightmarish monsters and unsettling environments. The visuals are striking, with 4K graphics enhancing the game's already eerie atmosphere. The fog-filled streets and grotesque creatures are rendered with remarkable detail, making the horror elements more impactful. The sound design, a collaboration between Akira Yamaoka and Masahiro Ito, contributes significantly to the unsettling ambiance, creating an immersive and chilling experience. One of the standout features is how the game's psychological horror elements have been updated. The monsters and manifestations of James' inner turmoil are reworked to fit contemporary horror sensibilities while retaining the essence of what made the original so effective. Overall, Silent Hill 2 on PS5 is a must-play for fans of the genre and newcomers alike, offering a masterful blend of psychological horror and modern graphics that will keep you on the edge.